Hello guys, today I will show you how you can get free Netflix coupon codes. This method works as of 2024. So without further ado, the first step to getting your code is to visit the website cryoflow.store. It's recommended to use a mobile device doing this procedure. As for me, I will be showing you the procedure on the computer for the purpose of recording this video. Once on the website, search Netflix on the search box. Click on the result, and you should be redirected to the Netflix promo code page. In a few steps, you will have your code to redeem your free plan subscription. Scroll down and select any offer by clicking the Show Coupon button and then the Unlock Code button. When generated, you go through a verification process to stop bots from obtaining keys. The verification process is required, and it's different in every country, so take your time to complete it. Once completed, the code is revealed and ready to use. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive deals, discounts, and shopping tips. Happy viewing!